Picture this. Two corporate giants locked in a legal battle worth billions. On one side, a tech behemoth. Let's call them Innovate Corp, a household name known for its sleek gadgets. On the other, Quantum Solutions, a smaller but highly specialized software firm, the prize, the future of mobile technology. Innovate Corp's defense seemed weak in comparison. They argued the algorithm was developed independently, so-called parallel thinking. Their star witnesses were unconvincing, and their technical explanations were dense and confusing to the jury. For weeks, the trial dragged on. Experts from both sides presented conflicting analyses, and the courtroom became a theater of high-tech jargon and corporate drama. The CEO of Quantum Solutions gave an emotional testimony, describing his team's years of hard work only to see it allegedly stolen. It felt like a slam dunk. Everyone, from legal analysts on TV to armchair experts on social media, predicted a massive record-breaking win for Quantum. The jury went into deliberation. 1 day passed, then 2, then a week. The tension was palpable. What could they possibly be debating for so long? The longer they took, the more speculation grew. Was there a holdout juror? Was the evidence not as clear-cut as it seemed? News helicopters hovered over the courthouse, and reporters camped out waiting for the white smoke. The stock market held its breath. Verdict against Innovate Corp could send its value plummeting, while a win for Quantum would make its founders billionaires overnight. The foreman of the jury, a retired schoolteacher, stood up holding a piece of paper. The air was thick with anticipation. You could hear a pin drop. She cleared her throat and began to read. It was a technicality, a detail buried deep within the hundreds of pages of legal filings that almost no one had paid attention to. The damages, not the billions Quantum had asked for, but a relatively modest $50 million. It wasn't a win for Quantum, but it wasn't a complete loss either. For Innovate Corp, it was a slap on the wrist, a financial rounding error. Nobody saw it coming. There was no clear winner. The David versus Goliath narrative collapsed. Both sides immediately declared victory to the press, but behind the scenes, both were stunned. The verdict was a masterclass in compromise, a legal tightrope walk that left everyone scratching their heads. It proved that in the complex world of corporate law, the story isn't always as simple as good versus evil. Sometimes the truth lies in the gray areas, hidden in the fine print. This billion-dollar battle didn't end with a knockout punch, but with a baffling decision that is still debated in law schools today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating stories.